Are you a rideshare driver? Are you frustrated by the low earnings? Rideshare companies keep finding ways to reduce driver payout. Stop exhausting yourself by overworking. Drive smarter, not harder. Here's how to drive less and earn more. Meet Freebird, an app for Uber and Lyft passengers to get free and discounted rides. Promote Freebird to your passengers and earn money when they sign up. All you've got to do is download the Freebird app on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. It's free and available nationwide. Enter the promo code RSG in the app to earn your sign-up bonus. Then start promoting the Freebird app to your passengers. Passengers will thank you for showing them how to get free and discounted rides. And you'll earn a whopping $10 for every new sign-up you get. Visit therideshareguy.com/Freebird for more information.